So this is my Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and this is not very well. So I buy this Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro brand new. Let's today unboxing this and short term review. Okay. If you see this, do not accept if seal is broken. Caution sealers packages. Let's box. I think this is so this is very hard to open this. Yeah. I think this is a upper set. Let's this the Bluetooth ultra high. Where is the model number? Galaxy variable 2.4 4.5 watt. This one, the model number is this one, SMR630. Yes, this is. Let's us where is from. Where is my Samsung Galaxy A52? Yeah. Samsung. Mm. This is Saudi Arabia variant. Okay. So this is my Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in silver color. Wow, this is look so amazing. Wow, the hands-on feel actually good, not bad. This is my Buds 3 Pro. So the weight is I think 1 mm high than Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, but it is okay, not much. Let's open this. Wow, this is nice. Looks so bad. This is a microphone. No, this is speaker. This is, if you see clearly, this is the mic, and this is literally this one. Okay. Wow, beautiful. Look, so amazing. If you see this, this is a blue, this is a green, I think. No, orange. This is orange. This is. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. In the box, the Type C cable. type C cable, this one paper. This one quick start guide. Where is nowhere? Where is this the no air tips? Why no air tips? The Galaxy Buds 2 box have a hair tips, but this one not. Disappointed me. Okay, no problem. So subscribe the channel, and the video came out. Yeah, new device has been found. This is a tips. Sorry, this is underground on this.